But Hank understands people who are unsure about getting the shot. He was one of them before he got sick.
What I experienced and being inside the hospital setting and seeing all of the people that weren't vaccinated being hospitalized, it really made me push to get myself.
Many small, remote plots of land that are extraordinarily cheap.
Out here where we're going to, you can probably buy an acre of property for $5,000 to $10,000.
Not far from McKinney's homestead, McGraw points out places people try to shelter themselves.
Over here you have pallets set up. This is probably some sort of a campsite at one time.
We see across.
Expanding the village, like, no way. How are you gonna do that? Where are you?
Our Department of Energy to continue to do that analysis and figure out what more we need to do if we need to do anything else.
Lastly, some may have trouble squaring President Biden's push to up oil production and release these reserves with his emphasis on transitioning away from fossil fuels to address climate change. Is it a contradiction?
Well, I don't think so at all. And I think the thing we need to understand is if we had more clean energy right now in the system, more diverse clean energy sources, if we had more geothermal, if we had more offshore wind, if we had...
And much more explicit about threatening military action. You know, there have been acts of sabotage. Israel is believed to have been behind those and the assassination of Iran's top nuclear scientist.
Private weather forecasting company to supplement forecasts they already get from government scientists. NPR's Jeffrey Pierre.
And you see there's only 2 or 3 people sitting there, that's where you want to sit waiting for your flight. Don't crowd the gate. You know, you see a lot of first class passengers who want to be the first to board, crowding around the boarding area. Not a great idea during a pandemic. Wait to board if you can, if you're not trying to carry on 8 pieces of luggage and need to be...
Militia, the KSF, Kansas Security Force, they
2112.
private go back and look on this as if they had done anything wrong. What was your sense?
926.
I think that's an absolutely correct reading of the situation. In fact, the sentencing judge
681.
made note of that as he sentenced the men.